Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is June 1st, so welcome to June. And we saw going into last week, so we had Memorial Day weekend, 3-day weekend, and going into the weekend, we saw a pretty good short squeeze. And we even left off Friday with basically at the highs, which maybe led a lot of people to think, oh man, this thing's really going to get going. We're going to have a big short squeeze and we're going to just rally up in the bottoms end. And I think that a lot of people are maybe thinking something back like this, the last major short squeeze that we had. However, I think today is starting to put a little bit of a damper on this. Remember, this is Wednesday when I'm recording this. And, I was leaving the door open for the idea of a short squeeze continuing, but I had some ideas of where we'd be looking at. However, ideally, what I've been looking for is a continuation of the 50-250 maneuver that I talk about. So 50, 250 maneuver. And this pattern has been working out very, very well, both to the upside and to the downside, because it just depends on how you want to work with it, but both long and short in this current market. So working very, very well. The other thing to note is that there was a big price level right here, and you can see that price hit that exactly and has been running into some resistance. So what I'm looking for is price to at least head back down to the hourly 50. And honestly, it most likely will come back down to this trend line. So I'm kind of looking to that. We're going to see if it happens. If it does, then I think that is a dip that we can buy and we'll see where it goes. I don't have large expectations. I think we're going to get into some chop, but I do think that there can be short-term trades to take both up and down. And then I think that part of the initial thing that we're seeing, and we will know this better on Thursday, but looking at Wednesday, how we closed right there, right into the underside of the 15-minute 50, the Moxie indicator is below zero, and we'll see if that is what helps push price down right there over the next couple days. If that works out, then it's been working out perfectly the way I'm looking at it, and we can go from there. All right. Thanks, guys.